Fiscal 2013 is the year of expansion and globalization of the CSC Cloud business. Effective business operations will play an important role in our ability to meet revenue targets. By fielding a strong sales team and carefully managing delivery resources, we will be able to achieve revenue and operating income targets. I'm Nora O'Donnell, the General Manager for the Americas. Along with Alan Hardiman, General Manager of European Operations, and Paul Gibbs, will share the mission of business operations. We're building a profitable cloud and hosting services business featuring a consistent portfolio, global service center, world-class service delivery, marketing, and new logo sales in all regions around the world. From a business operations perspective, cloud refers to a discrete global management team operated as a global P&L. Specific fiscal year cloud revenue and operating income targets are set during the annual budget process. Siki Junta and the general managers work together to develop the business plan to achieve the targets in all regions. Cloud portfolio management and service development activity is separately funded by a combination of the MSS Portfolio Management Global Pool and Domain Governance Board, otherwise known as the DGB. Accountability for the success of the cloud business rests with Siki and the global management team.
Speed is the key word for the hosting and cloud business. Our challenge is providing on-demand capacity for both existing and new cloud subscribers and to quickly provision new hosting customers with environments outlined in their contracts. This means supply chain flexibility for on-time and on-cost delivery of services. CSC customers choose cloud in order to be agile, and the CSC cloud organization must change to become an agile provider in itself. This requires streamlining CSC processes to accelerate bid response times and to reduce the cost of responding to opportunities. It means changing contract cycles to be faster and redefining onboarding of customer workloads. More importantly, the proactive marketing and sales for cloud means participating in more deals.
We believe that standardization of process and infrastructure is core to rapid expansion and globalization of the cloud and hosting business. A major part of operating the cloud business is building, staffing, and managing the infrastructure service center as a global team with operating legal agreements with the workload service center. Ken Janowski will be leading the management of the Global Cloud Service Center. Julie Hennessy, who's our Director of Client Services in the Americas, is creating a center of excellence to define processes for project managers who onboard new clients in all regions and service delivery managers who will be responsible for run and maintain and the ongoing satisfaction of hosting and cloud customers. In the Americas, which includes Canada, cloud has a direct sales team. The sales strategy for this subscription business is to get more new customers faster. The land and expand strategy focuses on proactive selling, landing with a project, and expanding with new workloads over time. The mission is selling cloud and hosting to new logo companies directly and selling with client leadership executives and marketing development executives to introduce and sell hosting and cloud to named accounts. Leading direct sales in the East is Jay Meyer, and in the West is Eric Graber. To stay focused on new business, existing hosting and cloud customers are transferred over time to an account management team. This team is led by Patricia Murphy and is dedicated to expanding the hosting and cloud footprint.
In EMEA, cloud sales is handled by a number of regional sales centres. Sales leaders like Amanda Brumpton for UK and Ireland and Stefania De Cristofaro in Italy are actively selling cloud. In Australia, there is a dedicated sales professional for cloud in Simon Higgins.
Another change in selling cloud and hosting is aligning technical sales engineers to field sales. This is key to getting the solution right the first time. Mark Berkbacher leads the technical sales engineers in the Americas and is defining a global center of excellence for pre-sales technical support. Technical sales engineers, or TSEs, in the rest of the world report regionally and support sales of cloud infrastructure and service offerings. The TSE is critical in selling standard services, completing a handoff to service delivery, and identifying deviations that should be enhancements to basic services. In all regions, sales benefits from referrals from our selling partners, VMware, EMC, Cisco, and the VCE company. Similarly, they benefit from bringing the power of CSC to bear in new cloud opportunities. FY 2013 is going to be a very exciting year. Business operations is engaged in all regions to accelerate new client acquisition and delights customers with successful service delivery and technical operations.